I'm a board certified workers' compensation attorney with the law firm of Farah Farah. My office is physically located in Orlando, but I help injured workers across the state. If you suffer an on the job injury, I would encourage you to contact a lawyer as soon as possible. The workers' compensation process can be pretty complex, and a lot of folks aren't aware of the different benefits that are available to them through the law. The insurance company is not in the business of helping you to get more money from them. So that's where we come in. We make sure that you get adequate medical care and that you get the lost wages that you're entitled to. I really love helping clients. My background is actually in insurance defense. I used to represent the big bad insurance companies when I first started handling workers' compensation cases. But you know what? Saving a big insurance company some money is not very fulfilling. What I do now, using my knowledge to help injured workers get the benefits that they're entitled to, helps me sleep at night. It's the difference between making sure someone can put food on the table for their family or get the medical care they need for their injuries so that they can recover and go back to work and continue to make a living for themselves and their families. One of the reasons I really enjoy working at Farah Farah is you don't just get me, you get an entire legal team. And it's not just my team. I like to call us the brain trust. When and if I have a complex issue or question and I want to bat it off of someone else, there are several other workers' compensation attorneys that are just a phone call or a mouse click away. And we can roundtable your specific facts of your case and come up with multiple different strategies to try and help you and get the outcome that you deserve and desire. I'm not just an army of one. You have our entire legal team behind you. And I think that's one thing that sets Farah Farah apart from some other law firms in the area. I look at law as playing a guess of chess, not checkers. I'm always looking one or two moves ahead to try and figure out what the insurance company might do. And I know what they're going to do because I used to represent them. So by being one step ahead every step of the process, sometimes I can predict which doctors are going to be appointed as experts by the judge in your case, should it get to that point. Being one step ahead can help not guarantee the best outcome, but assure you of the best possible outcome for your case, because you have an army of lawyers behind you at the firm. As I mentioned, it's not just me. You have a whole team behind you. We have a case manager, a paralegal. We are well situated to go against these big insurance companies because we are tireless in our pursuit of justice. I prepare every case as if it's going to trial. There's no limitation on what depositions or discovery I can take. I have the full support of the firm behind me to spend whatever money and hire whatever experts might be required to help prove your case and get you the benefits that you deserve. Once I become involved in your case and litigation has begun, invariably the insurance company is going to have their lawyers set your deposition. My most important piece of advice to workers' compensation claimants is to tell the truth. I can work around any bad set of facts. It doesn't matter to me if you've hurt your back 12 times before this accident. As long as you admit it and tell me about it, I can prove that this injury is different or distinguishable from your prior accidents and injuries. In Florida, if you misrepresent the nature or extent of your injury or commit fraud of any kind, that is basis for a complete denial of your benefits in Florida. As a result, telling the truth is the best policy.